Hi everyone, welcome to Medicine Note YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about shock and its types. A shock is a life-threatening clinical syndrome of cardiovascular collapse characterized by an inadequate tissue perfusion and acute reduction of circulatory blood volume. There is a reduction in blood volume which leads to hypotension and sweating, tachycardia, ashen gray face. Tachycardia means increase in heart volume. Because of the circulatory blood volume is reduced, the heart is pumped very fastly. And classification. The classification of the shock can be classified as primary as well as secondary. Primary is otherwise known as initial and vasovagal attack. An incomplete example of the primary shocks is due to a sudden reduction of venous return in the heart caused by neurogenical vasodilation. And the primary shock is defined as a sudden reduction of venous blood flow to the heart is caused by neurogenic vasodilation. The example is trauma, severe pain, emotional condition, but it lasts for only few minutes. This primary shocks will be for only few minutes. It can be occurred in a case of trauma, severe pain and emotional conditions. True or secondary shock. This is a second type of, it is classified as primary as well as secondary shock. The secondary shock is a circulatory imbalance between the oxygen supply and the oxygen requirement at the cellular level. When there is a requirement of the oxygen at the cellular level, there is demand of the oxygen supply, which leads to secondary shock. And it can be classified as, this secondary shock can be classified as hypovolemic, cardiogenic, septic and others. These others include neurogenic as well as anaphylactic shock. To remember these words, we can remember a mnemonic which is known as shock. The word S stands for septic, H for hypovolemic, O for others, and C for cardiogenic. To remember the types of shock, which is primary, which is known as initial shock, and secondary, which is known as true shock, PITS. We can remember the word the PIT, which is used for true as well as secondary for TS and primary as well as initial. This cardiogenic shock is divided into three types, which is deficient of emptying, deficient filling and obstruction of outflow, obstruction to the outflow. This can be remembered by FOE, F-O-E, which means an enemy. Hypovolemic shock. It is otherwise called as traumatic shock and hemorrhagic shock. The hypovolemic shock is due to severe decrease in blood volume. When there is severe decrease in blood volume, it leads to hypovolemic shock. Causes of this, which is acute hemorrhage, burns, excessive use of diuretics, which the patients, when they use the diuretic tablet, they always pass urine, and dehydration for vomiting and diarrhea, and acute pancreatitis. These causes can be remembered by bed pH, which is B for burns, E for excessive use of diuretics, and D for dehydration from vomiting and diarrhea, and P for acute pancreatitis, and H for hemorrhage. Cardiogenic shock. Failure of heart to pump the blood, which is known as cardiogenic shock. When the heart fails to pump the blood to other organ, which is known as cardiogenic shock. This cardiogenic shock is divided into three types, which is FOE. FOE means enemy. You can remember that your enemy has some problem in his heart, which is deficient emptying, which is FOE, FOE. In E means deficient in emptying because of myocardial infarction and rupture of heart ventricle and muscles, and cardiomyopathies. Direct filling. F for direct filling and O for obstruction in outflow. In direct filling is by cardia tamponade, which is a myocardial rupture leads to pericardial accumulation. The obstruction in outflow is pulmonary embolism, causes reduced blood flow to one left atrium, and tension in pneumothorax. And the other type of shock is septic shock. It is either caused by gram-positive organism or gram-negative organism. For gram-negative organism, it is endotoxic shock. It is otherwise known as endotoxic shock. In gram-negative septicemia, it is known as endotoxic shock. This endotoxic shock can be remembered by N, endo, En, which N stands for negative. And in gram-negative septicemia, exotoxic shock is known. In gram-negative bacteria attacks, it is known as exotoxic shock. The examples of the gram-negative organisms are E. coli, Proteus, Pseudomonas. In gram-negative septicemia, in gram-positive organs are pneumococci, streptococci. Shock or neurogenic shock it is caused by anesthetic accident when more doses given, a spinal cord injury and severe head injury. An anaphylactic shock, it is a severe hypersensitive reaction condition due to allergens. The allergens induce production of IgE antibody. This IgE antibody causes vasodilation and increases the permeability. Due to increase in permeability, it leads to hypotension and decreased cardiac output and cause hypoxia, which results in shock. These are the others. In next video, we will see about the pathogenesis of the shock for each type. Thank you.